Hello, good day viewers. Why do we even borrow the next digit as 10 while performing subtraction? I know that this is too elementary, but for sure it is going to benefit the younger ones as well as other adults. So we have two examples here, 42 minus 25. We have another 42 minus 25, but in base 6. Let's try this one first. To subtract 25 from 42, we are going to start from the unit part. We say that 2 minus 5, which is not possible, right? It is going to give us negative. So we're going to borrow 1 here. As we borrow that one, we drop it here, it becomes 12. Then 12 minus 5 is 7. Then we have 3 here left. Minus 2 is 1. So our answer is 17. We are coming back for this. What if we do the same thing here? We're going to get still 17, right? But this is wrong. Why? Because you are dealing with numbers in different bases. But let me tell you why we even have this to be 12. The big mistake we are making here is dropping 1 here. You are not supposed to drop this 1 here. Remember, if we should continue counting this 42 after 50, the next one will be 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. The moment it reaches 49, that 9 will turn to 0 and the next digit will be taken to the tens part, and that will make it 5, making altogether 50. This implies that 10 bundles here is equivalent to 1 bundle here, right? So if you take that 1 bundle here backward, it becomes 10, because this unit, 1 unit here is 10 times as big as a single unit here. You should understand that. Therefore, if you borrow a bundle here, that bundle is 10. Do not drop it here as 1. You take it to the top somewhere else, then you take that 10, you add that to that unit number, that is 10 plus 2 equals 12. Then 12 minus 5 is 7. Can you see that? Then we have 3 here left, minus 2 is 1. Let's go to the other one. We have 42 in base 6. I told you, always borrow a bundle equivalent to the base. Naturally, this is to base 10, but we don't use to write it because any number without an assigned base is always in base 10. So we don't have to write this one. Just like logarithm, if you see a log, just like this, log 5, for example, you should know that this is in base 10. But if it is not in base 10, it will surely be written here. Maybe if it is base 2, it will be written. The same thing goes to numbers. If you see number without a base, it is in base 10. So 42 minus 25, all in base 6. We want to subtract this from this. If you borrow 1 here, drop it here as 6, it is going to become 62. This is why I say do not drop that number here. Instead, take it somewhere else. We borrow a single unit here, but as it goes to the other side, it becomes 6. What you're borrowing is always equivalent to the base. So that 6, you add it to the unit number. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 minus 5 is what? 3. Can you see that? And we have 3 here left, minus 2 is 1. So the two answers are entirely different. This is 17 and this is 13 because of the base. So do not place your 1 here. It's very wrong. Instead, find somewhere to write your bundle which you have borrowed. Then you add it to the unit number before you subtract. So the reason why we borrow a unit as 10 is because we are dealing with numbers in base 10. If they are in other bases, please always borrow that number equivalent to the base. Just for example, if I have 1, 1, 0, and I would like to subtract 0, 1, maybe 1, all of them in base 2, you know that 0 cannot subtract 1. You borrow a bundle here, this becomes 0, but as it goes to the other side, it becomes 2, right? Because you are borrowing a bundle equivalent to the base. Then 2 plus 0 will make it 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. We have 0 here. You borrow 1 here from this. it comes here as 2. 2 plus 0 is 2, minus 1 is 1. Here we have 0 left. 0 minus 0 is 0. Therefore, once you subtract 1 1 from 1 1 0, you're going to get 1 1 in base 2. So always borrow a digit equivalent to the base. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.